Hello everyone, this is Geetika Chawla from USPC Jain Public School and we will start next questions of exercise 6.4 of chapter 6 the triangle and its properties of class 7. So here we'll start question number 4. Now you will observe that this one diagram is given to us and he is asking that ABCD is a quadrilateral. Mean to say you can see here it is a quadrilateral and it is given and he is asking that is AB, this one side AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, mean all these four sides AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, their sum is greater than AC. What is AC here? The diagonal plus BD. BD is the other diagonal. Mean to say in this sum we will check that the sum of all the four sides of a quadrilateral is greater than the sum of their diagonals and we will check in the sum. So let's start the sum now. You will see here that there is greater than sign. Mean to say again we will use that one property, the sum of two sides is greater than the third side. So see here how to start. Since the sum of the length of any two sides in a triangle should be greater than the length of the third side, mean to say again we will use that one criteria and we want that. For that what we will do here, first of all I want AC and BD on right hand side. So what we will do here, I will check that on diagonal AC there are two triangles are going to form. With help of AC the triangle is ABC. See here with AC triangle ABC and here with the help of AC ADC, this one triangle. So what we will do, turn by turn I will take both the triangle. So here in triangle ABC you will see here the sum of AB plus BC because I want AC on the right hand side. So the sum of AB plus BC is greater than AC. Then after that I will take other triangle ADC here. In triangle ADC the sum of whose sum? AD and DC. You can also take DC plus DA. The sum of both the sides is greater than AC here. See I have written AD plus DC is greater than AC. So after taking this I will move to next BD here. Then BD is a diagonal here. Then take this one triangle first, triangle ABD. In triangle ABD the sum of AD plus AB, the sum of both the sides is greater than the third side, that is BD. Then after that I will take this one triangle BCD. In this triangle again the sum of BC plus CD is greater than BD. In this way we will write all the four sums and will give the number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then after that we will see here both AC and BD are in addition form. So what we will do, we will add all 1, 2, 3, 4 parts here. On adding 1, 2, 3 and 4, how will add? I will add right to right and left to left. So it becomes AB plus BC, then AD plus DC, then AD plus AB, then BC plus CD. And here on right side it becomes AC plus AC, then BD plus BD. Fine. Then after that what we will do here, you will observe that all the sides are coming twice, means AB and AD, BC then BC. Then here AD is here, it's AD, yes, one more AD is here, DC and CD, DC and DC, CD both are the same, all are twice. So write them in bracket, AB plus AB in one bracket, then plus BC plus BC in one bracket, then plus DC plus CD in one bracket, then plus AD plus AD in one bracket. And here AC plus AC, they are twice, so 2 times AC, plus BD plus BD, again they are twice, so 2 times BD. Again they are coming 2 times AB plus 2 times BC plus 2 times CD or 2 times AD or DA, whatever you want to write you can write, plus 2 times AC plus 2 times BD. Now you can see here all the sides are having 2 in common, so keep 2 outside as a common and keep all the sides in a bracket, means 2 times AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, and same in the right hand side I will take 2 common and bracket AC plus BD. Now we'll see here in this one left hand side all the sides having 2 as common and here also in right hand side, so we'll cancel 2 and 2. So what is left here? AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD, and in this way we can prove this result here, and this is hence proved. Now let's move to the next sum. Question number 5. What is asking here? ABCD is a quadrilateral, then is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is less than 2 times AC plus BD. It means here this is a quadrilateral, it is given. Now we'll check that the sum of all the four sides were quadrilateral. The sum is greater than, the sum is less than here the 2 times AC plus BD. Mean to say, now we'll prove that the sum of all the four sides is less than the diagonal sum. The diagonals are twice here. So let's start this sum now again. You will see here that again there is less than or greater than sign. We will use here the same criteria, that the sum of two sides of a triangle must be greater than the third side. We will use that criteria, and don't forget to write that. Now let's move to the main part here. Now you can see here AC and BD. Here AC and BD both are having greater position as compared to these two sides. So what we'll do here, we'll take these two small triangles, means these diagonals are going to intersect at point O. Let it be O here, this intersecting point of the diagonals, and we'll take these small triangles, triangle AOB, then BOC, then COD, then DOA. Then according to this we will simplify the sum here. Now as earlier you are writing that the sum of two sides is greater than the third side, now we write here that the third side is less than the sum of the two sides. Mean to say we will reverse it. Means see here how in triangle AOB, AB is less than AO plus OB. Mean to say the sum of two sides, again here the meaning is the same. The sum of two sides is greater than the third side, but we'll write in this way because we want here this one sign to show. Then in triangle BOC, again write here that BC side is less than BO plus OC. Fine. The same criteria for third triangle in triangle DOC, that CD is less than the sum of DO plus OC. Then same here in this triangle, that in triangle AOD, again AD is less than OD plus AO. So in this way we will write all the four parts of this sum of these triangles, and what we'll do, according to sum I want AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. So means I will add all these four parts because I want AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, or AD both are the same. So on adding, I will add left to left and right to right. So on adding, what we get here, all these sides are in addition, and here becomes AO plus OB, then OB plus OC, then OC or CA both are the same, CO or OC plus OD here, then OD plus OA. Now on writing, all these four sides are singleton, so write it as it is. And let's move to the right hand side. See what they're asking now. You will observe that here OA and OA both are 2 times, so write here AO plus OA here in bracket, then plus OB plus OB, then OC plus OC, then OD plus OD in brackets, and they are twice, so write 2 times OA, 2 times OB, 2 times OC, 2 times OD. Then in next step we will take 2 common because all the sides are having 2 in common, so take 2 common, so it becomes 2 into OA plus OB plus OC plus OD. Now next you will see here that I want AC and BD, but I am having AO, OB, OC and OD. But you will see here how AC becomes, if I add OA and OC, on adding both the sides it becomes complete AC here. So what will do, I will join both OA and OC here, and same for BD, I will join BO and OD. And on joining, first of all keep them in bracket, then I will add them. OA plus OC become AC, then plus sign, OB plus OD become BD. So in this way, after writing, you will check that your answer is going to be matched with your true proof. So in this way you can simplify this sum.